In this lesson, we're creating a new board, your own infinite space to think, plan, and sketch. Creating it in Freeform is quite easy. And the app gives you two simple templates to work with. Dotted, which is the default and has a nice subtle grid feel to it, and plain, which is a clean space. Don't worry, you're not stuck with your first choice. You can always switch between these two templates later on. Once your board is created, you can rename it to something more personal or relevant to your project. Now, what if you're already inside a board and you feel like creating a new one? You can also create a new board from within the workspace. You can then rename it, pick a template, and you're good to go.